Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will see the list data. And in this list data, whenever you are trying to click on the parent one, so it needs to close automatically. So like this, it needs to close automatically like this. So let's try to do this one using the event delegation thing. So these are all the pretty examples which we will commit in the real time. So here let's try to do this one. So this is the code. I'm trying to delete the entire thing. So here I am taking the HTML. Okay. So this is our HTML. And here I can do div id is equal to food. Okay. So this is our div. And I am taking one UL. So in this UL we are having two things. One is meat and another one is vegetables. Okay, vegetables. Let's try to see the output here. So we are able to get meat and vegetables. Inside the meat, again we are having one UL, so which in turn has two subheadings. One is red meat. Okay, whichever you want you can add it. Just I am adding something like this, other. So here you'll be able to get meat and other. Inside the red meat, again I am having one UL, and here I can write something like beef, which is a red meat, and pork and lamb. Okay, so these are red meat. And when you go into the other, you can write UL again, and here we can write the LI, so which can be fish, okay, prawns, and let's say chicken also comes under the other. Okay, so we can have this other. Let's go into the vegetables thing. So vegetables things also you can write favorite. Okay, oh sorry, favorite, and here we need to add it in a li, right? So li favorite, and another one is not favorite. Okay, next I'm adding some data, and here we can write ul, and in this one I can write potatoes favorite, and another one what we can do is here I can write sweet corn. Okay, sweet corn, and one more thing we'll add. So sweet corn we can add it, and carrot we can take the carrot. Okay, and not favorite one we can add it something like ul. So here I can add li. Radish we can take it, and beetroot I can take it, bottle gourd or anything, so whichever the thing. Okay, so these are some of the not favorite thing. That's it. So this is how you'll be having. So I am not going into the design part and all those things. I am trying to keep it as simple as possible. Just we need to understand the core concept. So how the events things working and all those things. So here if I click on this not favorite, so these all the list coming under the section of this not favorite needs to be closed, needs to be hidden, and when I click on it again it needs to be open. So like this in the same scenario, vegetables if I am clicking means, so favorite, not favorite, whatever the subheadings are, whatever the subdetails coming inside these vegetables, all the things needs to be closed. Let's try to implement this one. So this is our food, right? And I am going here and I am writing the script code. So this is our script code. So let's take the food element, document dot get element by id of food. I can take it this one, food element. Okay, and here I can write if food element we got it. So here food element dot add event listener of click, and here I can write show or hide. So we can have whatever the method you want. I am writing show or hide. So here I can take function show or hide. Okay, so this is our, and so here I can take the event, and here we need to observe that. So whenever you are clicking on the li item, so meat item means ul whichever is responsible, we need to hide this ul, and when I click on this li, I need to hide this ul. When I click on this li, I need to hide this ul. So that means whenever you are clicking on the ul li, so whatever the children you are having inside the li, we need to close it automatically. So what can I do here? Let's try to take the ul element. Okay, ul element, or otherwise let's try to take the li element. UL element only we need to take. So UL element is equal to, first we need to catch the, is what I can do is let li element is equal to event dot target. Okay, event dot target. First we got the target, and here we need to catch the UL element. So UL element, how can I catch it is UL element, I can take li element dot query selector. Inside this one you need to have, right? So you can have a query selector of UL. So you can catch it like this, and you got the query selector UL element. And if UL element is there, UL element is there, or otherwise we can keep it as in small letter also, not a problem. If UL element is there, then what I can do for this UL element, class list, I can do class list dot toggle. I can use the toggle, and here I can use the add or remove like that. So I can use a hide class. So let's go to the top. In the style, I can take one hide class, and here I can apply display none. That's it, close. So now here we have this hide class, right? So we are applying this one, and here also we need to know that, so if li element dot tag name is equal to li. If you want, you can also check it like this. And that's it. So now you need to apply. That's it. Now if you refresh this page, okay, it's already refreshed. When I click on this one, see, automatically these are closing it off. So if I click on the meet directly, so meet, whatever the details coming under the meet, closed automatically. And vegetables, what are the details coming under inside this one, is closed automatically. So this is how we will be making use of this event delegation, and we will write the code like this. Okay, so this is how for the list items. So these are all the list items we are having, right? So using these list items, so here we are having UL element. So this is our unordered list. What I can say is unordered list, and inside this one we are having two LIs. Okay, two LIs. So that is meat and the vegetable. So inside this one again, inside this one I am having li ul, and inside this one li like this. So we are having a nested thing, so might be it looking a little bit of confusion for you, but using the event delegation thing, so we catch the food element and using the event at target, and we are using the query selector, and we are controlling them. If you use the children, you will be getting HTML collection. Okay, so here query selector means you will get a single element node, and using this element node we can add the class list and all those things, we can do it. So this is all about the event delegation thing. Hope you understood about the concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.